Another text animation.
Big man like me, no need for the telephone hype. I got too much getting online. One rule, then I'm on site. Wrong move, I bet.
Today's video is sponsored by my favorite philosopher, Kim. Open the Fusion page, add a background and then a merge node after. Bring a text node in empty space and connect it to the merge as a foreground. Type your first letter and increase the size. Add a transform node after the text. Move the pivot point to the base of your letter. Right-click in the size slider and select to modify it with shake. Go to the Modifiers tab, bring down the smoothness slider, set the minimum to 0.5 and the maximum to 2. Select the merge node and add another merge after. Duplicate your text and transform node. Connect it to the second merge. Select the text node and type your second letter. Select the transform node. Go to the Modifiers tab and hit the Reseed button a couple of times. Select the merge node and move the position of your letters. Repeat the same process for each letter. If you have a terrible taste, you can keep it this way. If not, you can add a stop motion node and set the frames to 4. If you like this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, you have a terrible taste.